Now you must write banks. Banks. Okay. Okay. Banks. What are banks? Please understand. Financial institutions which provide basic three facilities. Basic three facilities. What are those? Number one, it accepts deposits from the depositors. Number two, it gives them withdrawal facility. But withdrawal facility is also given by post office banks. Withdrawal facilities of two types. One is called demand withdrawal facility. Whenever you require money, you can withdraw it. One is called time withdrawal facility. You can withdraw only after maturity. Get the point? So these post office banks provide you time withdrawal facility, so you cannot call them proper banks. Proper banks provide demand withdrawal facility. Time withdrawal facility is already there with insurance companies also. They are already there with these other companies, mutual funds also. After maturity, you can withdraw your money, but demand withdrawal facility is only available with banks. Okay, so they accept deposits, they provide demand withdrawal facility, and they also do the purpose of, they also do the job of lending. Okay, but lending is also done by so many other financial companies. Clear that? I will elaborate, but just write down. Banks are those financial institutions which perform the following functions. Which perform following functions. Which perform following functions. Okay. What functions can you tell me? The first function is to accept deposits. They accept deposits. But deposits are accepted by insurance companies also. Deposits are accepted by post office banks also. Okay. So second is provide. Second is, first of all, they provide, second, they also provide demand withdrawal facility. They also provide demand withdrawal facility. Demand withdrawal facility. The board is visible to all at the back also. Okay, demand withdrawal facility. Demand withdrawal facility. And then they do the job of lending also. Okay, they do the job of lending also. Okay.